Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And welcome to the next part of the Halloween transformation. So we're in the kitchen and this is like, I'm so excited for this room because I have so many pieces for this room. We're going to be replacing some decorations that are up top. We're going to be replacing these. Don't be mad, but I already did this. I already did the little coffee cup station. Look at him. Everyone's talking about him for good reason, but like, I got him. I secured the cutie. Anyway, I already did this like little coffee place. I did it in a vlog. So if you want to see me decorate this, you can go watch that vlog. But that's kind of all we've got. So we're going to be transforming my entire kitchen to be Halloween Town, basically. I want to start here. Like, I'm desperate.
I'm desperate.
Okay, so we're going to start with these because I'm dying to replace these. I bought on Etsy this listing of like, it was like 15 different Halloween prints. So I have a whole bunch that I want to replace all these pictures with. So these pictures are like our road trip pictures. We drove from New Hampshire to California and then back. So I guess I'm just gonna get started on like taking them down. Look at this guy. Oh, he's great. Isn't he? Gonna put him into the frame. Perfect fit. I love these frames. I will link them down in the description. Look how cute that is.
That's very cute.
Isn't it? I'll also link the listing where, well, I don't know if the listing is still up, but I will link the shop where I got these prints from because they are really, really cute. Who lit the black flame candle? A witch. The lying on a broom. Okay, this is dangerous. But all of the prints, all of the prints are in their frame, so now we're going to figure out where they go. What do we think so far? Kind of random.
I'm a fan.
That's cute right there.
Yeah?
This is coffee.
Yeah.
And the coffee machine is literally right below. I also put bats.
Oh my god, we could.
Everyone's gonna be like, stop with the bats. I love that we went from something really structured and just like in line to this. Just like kind of spread out. It has a tiny bit of a pattern. Okay, so all the pictures are up. I am obsessed. So we're gonna take some bats and kind of stick them around and kind of, I don't know, I just feel like it's gonna look great. If you guys are sticking bats, like you have these little, you know, plastic bats, you know how they come with these like little sticky things? These that come with them? Don't use these! Trash! Garbage! I use these. The rest of the packaging got thrown away, but they look like this. They're like little clear things. You can cut them to like any size and they're just like double-sided sticky gel things. Oh my god, can you even?
Amazing.
Can you even? I'm obsessed. So right here, I do know that a bat has to go there. So there will be a bat there. We just ran out in this little package. But oh my god, is this not the cutest? It's hard because you guys aren't seeing it. You guys aren't seeing it the way that I'm seeing it. So I'm gonna get some better shots. Obviously stick around for like the final shots of what the entire room looks like because I feel like that's really where you're gonna see, hopefully, the spookiness of this wall. But yeah, this wall is finished. We're probably actually gonna move on to the decorations that I have up here. So let's get started on that. Welcome to the ceiling of my kitchen. I'm standing on a chair and so are you actually. I have this chandelier. This is actually like, what do they call it? A paper chandelier? Basically made out of cardboard. I feel like I want this right in the middle and then we have a bunch of decorations literally just like these, but they're black, orange, and white. It's gonna look so great. So I thought we would place this first, kind of find the center, and then build around it with the other decorations that we have. Maybe we should actually take down the blue. We're getting ahead of ourselves,
Yeah,
right?
we need to take that one.
Got it! It exploded! Okay, so now we can do the chandelier. Fabulous!
Yay.
Look at that. That looks so cool.
Yeah, it does.
Okay. We're done with these. This is how it's looking. I feel like it's a weird shot. It's a weird shot for you to be able to see it, but I obviously, okay, this is the last time I'm gonna say it. Stick around for like the final shot so you can see everything in its magical, spooky glory. Welcome to my sink. I'm just gonna welcome you to every single area in the kitchen. It's not big enough to do that, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna set up a banner across here. We're obviously gonna take this heart thing down. I'm gonna spookify above the sink. What do we think?
Looks amazing.
Yeah, it does. I feel like you guys are maybe gonna think that I'm crazy, but should I add bats? There's bats everywhere! But it's like I love webs. I love how it looks, but like I'm not good at putting up the webs. It's kind of hard to see, but I did add spider webs. Welcome to some random corner in my kitchen. So we got a bunch of, or like a few little jars to replace these. So this is just flour, sugar, nothing. Honestly, if I'm being truthful, there's nothing in this one. We did get 3 more. Bring them in. See, it just like takes up less room too, and it looks so good with everything else, like the colors over here, and it just looks great. And this has a freaking skeleton hand on it. It's just, oh. You were like sprinting away. Anyway, this has a skeleton hand on it. It's amazing. So now this one has sugar. Nope, it doesn't. I lied. This one has flour, sugar, and then we put the coffee in here. Isn't that genius? For the black pumpkin, I'm never putting the other things back. Like I'm bringing them to the thrift store. I don't want them anymore. Yeah. These are a year-round, forever, for the rest of my life kind of thing.
Take them away, boys.
Welcome to the plant area. It's the last section of the kitchen. So I think I'm going to try a couple of things. This is the one area in the kitchen where I kind of didn't plan things out. So I don't know what we're going to do here.
It's a mystery.
It is a mystery, even to me. So I have this bulb that I've always had this like little plant cutting in. And then we have this beaker, and I think I'm going to switch it over. It's a little bit smaller, but then again, it's got this like tall bit, so it might make up for it. Isn't that crazy?
Whoa.
Yeah, look how long this is.
I can't believe that fit in there.
I know. It's cool. It just like spins around in there. Okay, so the plant beaker is done. Look how cool. I feel like this looks so cool.
It does.
Right? Okay, so that was the spooky transformation of the kitchen. I love it. I love everything about this. The chandelier is really cool. I love that it's paper. The whole plant area was kind of like a wing it moment, and I feel like it turned out pretty good. Makes me so happy.
Yeah.
Everything about it. The kitchen turned out amazing. Oh my god, I'm so excited for the whole apartment to be done. So right now we've got the living room, and now the kitchen is done. So the next part is the last part. We're gonna do the dining room table and the bookshelf. We are 2/3 of the way through the transformation. I'm so excited to see like the finale of this entire thing. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me literally everywhere. It is at Artsymadwoman. I love you guys to absolute death, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Kitchen transformed. What?
I love that energy.